I am Monika from IELTS 9. So we will be doing this reading passage. That reading passage name is The Role Film Revelation. The Role Film Revelation. Okay, they are going to talk about some role films and its revolution, how it developed and all, and how it had come into that in use and all. So this reading was reported by one student on my channel only. So he said just work on these three readings he suggested me. It was also part of 25th May. I don't know his country and all. I am assuming he is in Canada, I think. So if you want to go for Canada for study abroad and all, definitely we have a big company. You can contact us for admission and all. Okay, now so we will be doing it. So I have understood this reading passage. Let's look at the type of questions we have. So first type of question I have here, yes, no, not given. Second is complete the diagram below. So this is the diagram kind of thing. And third type of question we have this, complete this table below. So next video I will be dedicated to this reading passage, because that also he had suggested me to work on this. So I will just make video for this also. So I will start my reading from first type of question. Why? I will tell you. See, first writer is going to write all full reading passage, and then according to the passage he will divide the questions. Accept list of heading and which section contains the following information. Okay, otherwise everything we will get it accordingly, where we will get the location of 26, and then we will get the location 27, 28, so on like that. Okay, so that's why I am always doing it. My first type of question, if you want to do, you can find it here, this also, but you are clueless when you are finding location of these fill in the blanks and all. You are clueless where we have to find the location, as well as you don't know the meaning of the paragraph also. So till the time we are done with first type of question, we are having already 50% idea what type of things they are going to discuss here. Now this paragraph I am showing you, and this question statement also, so no need to get PDF and all. Do practice with me, you will get benefit from that. So before the dry plate, so yes, no, not given questions are there. Of course it's like true, false, not given. We have to read the statement. Please read it once and try to understand its meaning and come out with the important keywords. Every word is not a keyword. Before the dry plate process, short exposures. So I have just finished with my Hindi reading. Short exposures could only be achieved with cameras held in the hand. So these three things will take us to the location. After getting location, we will try to read and understand. Then we will decide whether it was before the dry plate process introduction or after. So this word will give us the exact answer. Okay, now understand. Dry plate, short exposure. So introduction of the dry, so this is given, through which it many advantages, convenient, so that photographer. So I am looking for words only. So instant exposures they have given, have been, see this, have been possible before. So of course they are talking about dry plate process, but only with some difficulty and with special equipment and conditions. Now exposures, short, this word also we were looking for. Enough to permit the camera to be held in the hand were easily achieved. So hand also, camera also, everything we have got. But here before, so here they are talking about the introduction of the dry plate. So what is possible before instant exposure has been possible before. So here they are saying before this plate, short exposures could only be achieved with cameras held in the hand. It means this is contradiction. No will come here. Now next, second one is 27th. We have almost done with first paragraph. Okay, so stunts America camera lagged codex developing service. Okay, so if stunts America cameras lacked developing services, then it will be true. And if there are more services, like if there are developing services and all, then it will be false, means opposite thing they are talking. Okay, So let's find these Kodak, Stearns, America. So whatever it comes to your, so you have to just, Thomas Bola, some person name is there, and magazine, detectives, 1880s. Let's move to next paragraph, next page I mean to say. Here no, this word is not there. So I am on the second page. Magazine plate, cameras, George Eastman person is there, New York is there. So 1880s, I am looking for these two words. Okay, so I am not, America is there, some person is also there, negative film, this could be fitted standard plate, 48 exposures. This combined weight of the paper roll and holder was far less, or all the roll holders 1850s had been successfully. Eastman's rollable paper film was sensitive, gave Eastman. Okay, no, I am looking for something different. I am looking for this person. So here also some person name is there, I think 1886, only 50 Eastman detective cameras. 1887 is also there, 100 circular exposure, 6 centimeter in diameter. Its operation, I think this is relating to that process diagram. V-line impression in the camera top, press the release and all, 100, so many things. No, Kodak word is here. Eastman gave his camera the invented name Kodak, which was easily pronounceable in most languages, and it had two K's, which Eastman felt was a firm and comprising kind of letter. So next page we will move, because we haven't got this. Yes, you can mark it not given also if you want, but later on if we get this location, then we will read it. The first Kodak film equivalent cost the equivalent of a week's wages to develop. Okay, the first Kodak film cost the equivalent of a week's wages to develop. So it was equal to week's wages to develop this film. Okay, so they are talking about costing. So next page we will move. So next page, importance of new film camera was that it was first. So yes, this location we have got, it means that is not given, so we can cut it. Stearns America camera lagged Kodak's developing services. Okay, let's read it from here, and you also do it, Vinny. See this, I am showing you full, you can read it. Notably, there had been several earlier cameras, notably the Stearns first demonstrated in the spring of this and on sale. This also used a roll of negative paper and had such refinements as a reflecting viewfinder, and this. The real significance of first Kodak camera was that it was backed up by developing and printing services. So virtually photographers developed and printed their own pictures, the required facilities of a dark room. So what they are saying, camera lacked Kodak developing services. Lacked, but here it is given backed. Is it a lagged or backed? I think if it is lagged, then it is no. If it is backed, I think this is also printing mistake. It is backed. Stearns America camera backed Kodak's developing services. See this, it was first Kodak camera, it was backed up by, because here they have started talking about this, backed up by developing and printing services, then it will be yes. So you can just text me whatever you think about this question statement. 28, we were looking the first Kodak film cost, so equivalent to, it means equal to week wages to develop. Okay, so handle the necessary prints resources when a customer. So we are looking for, first it is given, but we are looking for costing, where the film was unloaded, processed. Okay, Eastman, again money is there, let's read it. Everyone that is who could afford $25 or 5 guineas for the camera and $10 or 2 for developing and printing a guinea was a week's wages. $5 was a week's wages for many at the time. So the Kodak film cost the equal to week's wages to develop. Okay, So developing, we have got a guinea was a week's wages for many at the time. So this simple camera cost the equivalent of hundreds of dollars today. Cost, the first Kodak film cost. Actually this is also confusing, it looks. A guinea $5 was a week's wages for many at the times. Okay, so this simple camera costs the equivalent of hundreds of dollars today. Yes, then it is yes. Then I will mark it yes, yes. Okay, so it was equal to weeks wages to develop, and nowadays its cost is hundreds of dollars today. Okay, so now 29. Some of Eastman's 1891 range of cameras could be loaded in daylight. Okay, this 1899 we will look. So some one or two small paragraphs have been missing from my reading, so I have just highlighted some words here at the back. I will show you. See this, only 1889 is given, only 1889 is given, only out of those left paragraph I have just brought out important lines from there, whatever the years they were talking about. No 1891 is there, so our answer will be not given, because everything we have done in 3 questions, last question would be only not given. Now let's do complete the diagram below. So V-line impression we have already read somewhere in second, third paragraph, and we have to find it. Okay, so this kind of camera, first V-line impression and then 30 number special key is there, so its purpose we have to write. And now next something they are showing what is this, and its purpose we have to write, and something they have shown it to us for 33 number and its purpose. So let's find the paragraph. So here we have found this V-line impression. Okay, so now next special key we are looking for. V-line impression in the camera top, press the release button to activate the exposure, turn a special key to word is also there, wind on the film, or wind on the film you can see. So now, but we are allowed to write no more than 3 words. So what we will write? Wind on the film, it will be 4 words. So we can just leave this word, wind on film, we can write. Okay, now next word is 31 number, what they are saying. 31 is purpose. So this is also blind, what they are asking. 100 exposures had been made. It was important to record each picture. It was important to in the book. Press button to activate. Okay, so here they are saying to activate. 2 word is also there. See, this 2 word is also there. So after that we have got special key. This we have got 100 exposures had to be made. It was important to record each picture in the memorandum book. So this is kind a book. So here we will write the memorandum book. Okay, so here we have written this is a kind of book. So what is the purpose of it? To record each picture. To record each picture we can write here. This we have written. So we have got it was important to record each picture in the memorandum books. This we have selected, provided since there was no exposure. So important 2 word was also there before the blank. To record each picture we have read, but where it is? So it looks like a string. See this string word I have just, yeah, wire string. See this. So first we will write here, it is a, they have given some arrow, 1 arrow to show to ask what is this. So we will write here a wire string. What is the purpose of this? 2 word is also given. So it is easy to find. So wire is here. Its operation was simple. She set the shutter. So here we will write set the shutter by pulling a wire string. So here we can write set the shutter. So we have written this also. So every thing we have got it. With the help of two words we have found. With the help of some pictorial thing we have found the locations. Now this is the next question. Complete the table below. No more than 3 words. Okay. So how to do this? Complete the table. First there are 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. So first they have given year. So it means here in this blank year will come. Development. So here they will whatever the things explanation will be there about this. And person name will be there. So here some person name will come here. So let's start finding the word 1880, this figure. So 1880 is given here. See this 1880. So manufacturer of gelatine. See this dry plates and name of the person. Eastman had begun to manufacture. It means this Eastman will come here. Had begun to manufacture. So Eastman will come here. Okay, now next 1881. So where is 1881? Here 1850s, 1886. Detective cameras. So detective cameras. So I think it was, I have read it somewhere. So in previous paragraph I think. So here this is 1881 and detective cameras. See this. So but we so how they have make us wasted our time. So there is no fill in the blanks and still I am finding the location. So leave that location where you are not you don't have to respond. Here we have to find after 1880 the role holder combined with dash Eastman. This person name we know it where they were talking. So in next paragraph I will show it to you. So here in FM this person name is given. See this FM, this person, it means we have to write year name. So year is 1886. Here we will write 1886. Role holder is also here. Role holder is also there. 30. Okay. Yes. Here also we have to find the blank. The role holder with a small hand camera. So with is also there, a small hand camera. Sorry, just a minute. We are allowed to write only 3 words. So what we are going with a, we will cut it. Okay. Next is 1889. Introduction of model with dash. Eastman is there. So let's find 1889. So here we are looking for 1889. So 1889 is here. See this. I will show it to you. 1889 is here. So was an improved model. Introduction of model with a new shutter design was introduced and it was called number 2 Kodak camera. At the end of 1889 Eastman launched a new roll film on a celluloid base. Okay. So but here developments we have to introduction of model with word is also there. New shutter design we will just write here. New shutter design will come here, not this new roll film. So introduction of model word is here. See this. That's why we have written this new shutter design.